Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. It's a little chilly, but as you can see, the sun is here. Kind of panning around, sharing with you all my onions and garlic. The onion looks so good. That looks really good. Fat onions. But yeah, they're looking good. Now, what I want you to know, what I did was I cut off all those bad leaves, so these plants won't be trying to save these leaves, but because they can't save them. But they are looking so much better, so much better. I am, I'm loving this. It's looking so much better. And that is the onions. Yeah. Now, someone asked me about growing onions from seed or sets. Now, I want you all to know that all of these onions here was grown from sets, right? I had sets. I purchased sets. And of course, the garlic is from garlic sets, right? But most of my onions, my green onions, well, I've harvested so much of them, but anyway, they are from seed. I've been in this garden all day today. Early this morning, I came out. It was a little cool when I came out, and then it began to be something amazing. Yeah. But I have been dropping seeds all day. I made a new little garden bed for all the new little vegetables and fruits I'm having over here. But I just want to share with you all some of the things I'm doing, okay? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! Let's go and see what else is going on. So this is over here by my cucumbers and beans. I also have some sunflowers growing back here. But anyway, here is my beans. They're growing good. My peas, and there are lots of the cucumbers are coming up too. Now these are beans right here, but sprinkled in there, that's a cucumber. The cucumbers are coming up slowly, but it's okay. Just do your thing. As long as they get up, it's all right. It's all right. But the beans are really rolling out. Look at that. So there's about 3 or 4 variety types of climbing beans. All right, guys, so this is the new little garden bed I made today. I haven't finished filling up the cells because I will. I have so many more Katrina bricks. I have a lot of those. So I decided to make this little bed. It's right next to this one. And I have my little box in the middle, but it gives me lots of space to get around. It's very small, perfect for what I need. These are the seeds I dropped today. I dropped a lot of banana melon, all those soft fruits, just a lot of soft fruits, right? The goji berries, the black wonderberry, just all of those, right? And I just have them sitting out here. And I'm gonna drop more tomatoes. Yeah, I have some of the big ones growing, but yeah, I'm gonna drop more. So this is some um, onions and leeks that I dropped in here. But it also looks like there was let's see if you can get to see this really good. It's in there. You can see it. It's a carrot. You see. Let's see. The sun is bright. There it is. It's a carrot in here. And I'm going to take her out. Yeah, so I just drop the onion seeds in here. Let them get be about this point, and then I take them up and I put them wherever I want to put them, all over the garden. So let me share this here. So this is over by my Katrina bricks over here on this side, and here is some of the onions that I just put in the cells. And as you can see, they're growing nicely. Yeah, let's see. So here's one here, and they are different sizes because I just put them in at different times. You know, I'm going to eat them all at one point. Yeah. And I have some here. That is some onion, but that's wild onions. Yeah, I shared some of that with you all. Let's get this carrot, man. I don't know how she's gonna be in here, but she feels like she has gone two ways, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. She's in there. Boy, is she in there. Alright, she gonna make me work for it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to replant. Wow, look at that. Wait a minute, before I pull this little baby, I don't want y'all to see me do this. This is crazy. Look at that. Awesome. Y'all know what? I'm gonna eat her with my breakfast this morning. This is great. So let me give you a good way of looking at it. So this is my hand. That's her. Huh? Isn't that awesome? I'll take it, Mama. I'll take it. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do right now, y'all. We're going to go. Let's go get some breakfast. I'm hungry. All right, guys. So this is my breakfast this morning. Yeah. And I'm getting myself all fueled up for this day. I'm excited about it. Oh man, coffee is so good. Good. This is my coffee. So this is a cup from Uma. Even though Uma changed the name of her channel, I can't remember, but that's from Uma. Oh yeah, baby. New York. My friend in New York. I love you, honey. So yeah, so this is my breakfast, and I'm gonna go and fuel up with this stuff. And get myself together. So check this out, y'all. That I made last night. When I thought about recording it, that's it. So what is that I made? I made ketchup. It's so easy to make and really quick, and yeah. So the next time I make my ketchup, maybe I share it. Yeah, but that's ketchup. And I make this ketchup for my friend because they are a diabetic and they don't like, the sugar that's in the bottle ketchup. And I've made this ketchup for them before, and they absolutely love it. So this time I put it in this big jar for them. So Yeah, it's really good, really good. You could taste the tomatoes in there because that is tomatoes from my garden. Wait, let me share it. Wait. So this is one of the bags of these are my frozen tomatoes from last season that I harvested. I have about 4 more bags that's in my freezer in the garage. And these are the tomatoes I use for this ketchup. And this is why it's more orange, because they are the cherries and the, you know, they're not the red, the yellows. I have some pear tomatoes in there. And that's what that is. Yeah. And it is good. Good. Yeah, so I have, as I said, I have about 4 or 5 bags of my frozen tomatoes from last season harvest. Yeah. Yep. Let's get this French bread. All right, guys, let me eat. I'm gonna get dressed. We're going in the garden. All right, guys. Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning. So I have cleared an area. I received a package at my door last night. Yup. I did. Oh, baby. Thank you, sweetheart. I thank you both so much. I thank y'all. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate it. So I'm going to share with you all what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do with it. And I think it was all because of the bag that I was talking about. Oh, yeah, it was about the bag. But you all gonna, making me smile. A little spoiling going on now. Look out. All right, guys. Let me share what I'm gonna do, okay? Give me a second. So, that's what it is, y'all. Thank you, Cheryl and Chris. Thank you all so much. Thank you, baby. So, what you see here is 10 grow bags, right? That's 10. Wait a minute. So, this is 10 grow bags right here. But what you don't see is that there were 12 in a pack, and I have 2 packs. Thank you, Cheryl and Chris. Thank you, baby. So what I did was I just put 1 shovelful of soil in each bag just to have them, set up. And now I'm going to mix some soil, and I'm going to fill these babies. Yes! This is so awesome. I'm going to fill these babies up, and yeah, we're going to get it together. So let me share the plants I had here, what I did with them. So there they are. They all right there, looking all cutesy. Yay! Looking all cutesy, looking good. And I love it right there. Yeah. So right now, I'm just coming out. I've been out in the garden maybe about an hour. So I need to give everybody some water. Yeah, they looking a little thirsty. Just a little thirsty here this morning. All right. So this is my lettuce. She looked good. All right. Let me get to watering these plants. All right. So this is what I've done so far. Here is my soils that I put in here. That is this. I have some amendments in a bucket somewhere. I'm going to put in here. I'm going to mix it all up. And then I'm going to put them in these babies right here. Yeah. They all going in here. So let me get busy. I had to go inside and take off my tennis shoes and take off my jeans. I don't want no jeans on today. They're restricting. So I had to put on some tights. Get into this thing. So, all right. All right, guys. So this is it. They are all filled with soil. Yeah, they all filled. 10 was filled with soil. And I want to thank Chris and Cheryl for just always thinking of me. Back to our roots homestead. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. So, I don't know yet what I'm going to drop in there, but yeah. Yeah. The options is it's endless. It's endless. So, I will be sharing just what I do. I put there's lots of water. You can see I have some standing water. That's just so they can soak it up. Get all that soil in there nice and moist. Yeah. But I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful. Today's Thursday evening. Yeah, I am fixing myself something to eat right now. I wanted to cook a Cornish hen today. So I had, they come two in a pack in the store. So I took them out, y'all. And I greased them up and seasoned them up. And they are cooking. I like to let them cook for about 2 hours. Yeah. But that will be my dinner. And I hope all goes well with you and your family. Yeah, have a good day. Have a good day. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll talk soon. Later, y'all.